Welcome to the video. This is what is natural, what is needed for all humans. You create a microclimate by your clothes. Your clothes are toxic if not organic and not colored. So most of the clothes we have are toxic. The toxicity is absorbed through the skin, goes in the bloodstream and stays in your body the rest of your life. So this is natural for all humans. This is what we need to avoid virus, to avoid cancer, because the virus, cancer is all caused by toxins and by low immunity. You need to be naked, you need to walk barefoot, and fruit is the human species specific diet that is avoiding all disease and avoiding overweight, and is good for the climate problems too. No pollution. The fruit peels will make the earth better than ever before, more fertile. So you can be in optimal health if you listen to this. Don't eat all the garbage that people produce. Only fruit is human food. And the pills that you use to heal your disease are toxic, and the toxins go into your brain so that you crave again more pills. The same with the toxic cooked food that creates toxins in your brain, and you will crave the toxic food again and again and again. Clean it out fast and eat natural, live natural. The only way to health.